Well, hello there. Are you traveling light? Well, let me show you how I keep my wardrobe fresh on the go. When you pack carry-on only, laundry isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. So in this video, I'm sharing my simple step-by-step method for washing clothes in a hotel sink. It's quick, efficient, and keeps your outfits ready for any adventure. So let's dive in. You'll see that I've been actually washing out my items in the hotel sink and wringing them out until they are almost dry. Now, when I do wash the items, I actually let them soak in the sink for about 15 minutes, and then I drain the water, put in clean water, rinse, and wring those items out. And you see here where I've laid everything out on a towel on the bed. So now that you've washed your clothes, carefully wrung the water out, I always put the towel on top of my bed because I don't want to put it on the floor and then turn around and roll up my clean clothes in a towel that's been touching the floor. So now you just carefully roll all of your clean and wrung out clothing into the towel, and then put pressure on the towel to get as much water out of your clothing as possible. And now if this was going to be the only set of clothing I washed out in the sink, I may also even put this on the floor and stand on it, because then I'm not going to use the towel again. But I am going to wash out my pajamas, so I want to make sure that the towel is clean. So now I will literally take all of these clean and damp clothes into, in this case, in the bathroom, because I have a little drying rack in my bathroom in the shower, and I can dry my clothes, and I'll have clean clothes for the rest of my trip. Ta-da! I love that this drying rack is in this particular hotel room. It makes it so easy when you're traveling for a lengthy period of time and do need to wash out your clothing. So it's wonderful. There's a decent size sink basin. Of course, I always have to use this, and most of the plugs don't typically work there, and it's that way in the United States hotels as well. Now that my laundry is done, I'm poking my head in the little chapel downstairs to take a few pictures, and I'm headed out to enjoy the rest of the day in the city of Florence. Please like and subscribe if you found value with this message, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.